Nandan Nilekani. Transforming India's digital and education ecosystem, Nandan Nilekani is one of the India's most influential entrepreneurs, technologists, and public policy leader. He is widely known as the co-founder of Infosys and founding chairman of the Unique Identification Authority of India, where he led the development of the Aadhaar program. His vision has helped accelerate India's digital transformation by making public service more accessible, efficient, and transparent. Nilekani strongly believes that technology should solve real world problems. He has constantly advocated for digital inclusion, innovation, and the use of technology to improve governance. His ideas have contributed to the growth of India's digital public infrastructure, including systems that support digital payment, identity verification, and online public services. More recently, Nandan Nilekani has taken on an important role in India's education sector. Following concern over examination security and paper leaks, the Government of India constituted a high powered task force on examination reforms under his leadership. The task force has been asked to recommend measures to strengthen the examination system by improving security, increasing transparency, reducing malpractice, and using technology to make examination more reliable and trustworthy. Nilekani believes that the future of education should go beyond memorization. He has often emphasized the importance of critical thinking, problem solving, digital literacy, and lifelong learning. According to him, technology should empower both teachers and students by creating fair, accessible, and learner centered education. Apart from his work in technology and the public service, Nandan Nilekani is also an accomplished author and philanthropist. Through his speeches and writing, Through his speeches and writing, he encouraged young people to embrace innovation, think independently, and contribute to nation building. His journey demonstrated that the visionary leadership, integrity, and the commitment to public service can create a lasting impact on millions of lives.